The family atmosphere is appetizing to people, I think. It's a group of people that you can talk to anybody and ask for help, and we have a lot of fun too, all while getting our work done to the best we can.
Heritage always provides people with opportunities to grow, and learn more and more as we do it. Kind of like a mentor program. The people who have been doing it for a long time, they train you themselves.
We pass our craftsmanship down. Those guys who have been here for so many years, they are the ones we lean on to train those skills. Guys and girls that travel from one end of the building to the next, learning all different trades. That really makes them a well-rounded carpenter and craftsman in their trades.
Occasionally we've lost a skill and then we have to go back to that and relearn that again. But I've got some people that have been here for a very long time, 40 plus years. And we go back to those people that can retrain those skills to the new people here.
We have our perks of 4-day work week, especially with the younger kids. I'm going to teach you something that you don't know how to do, that you'll have that the rest of your life. You won't have to pay somebody to come do that for you. When you decide to do something, you get your own house. And then also, we have people here that have their own businesses on the side. So they learn their trade and everything, and then they step out and they have 3 days to work.
The work ethic here in Wayne is phenomenal. They don't know any different than to get up and go to work every day, and they get to go home proud of what they do.
I think our employees stay here because we truly do try to make sure they are taken care of daily. We want to remain steady because we don't want to let people go. They're too important to us to be here. And even in the tough times when we can't provide maximum benefit always, they realize that we're here, we have their back, and we don't want that to change.